Hey there, I'm Manu Chauhan, and today I'm going to give you some tips, some advice regarding these quarantine lockdown days. How you can use these quarantine lockdown days to upgrade your skills, to learn new skills, to come up with new skills. Because, guys, speaking myself, then I have learned a lot of things in these quarantine days. I have used this time in a very most possible beneficial way. I have upgraded my lot of skills. So guys, let me introduce myself first. I am an electrical engineer. Basically, I am studying electrical engineering at my university at MDU. But guys, apart from electrical engineering, I am also a self-taught data scientist. I have learned different high-level languages by my own, like C, C++, Python, JavaScript, HTML, CSS, jQuery, many things. I know about the web development, I know about the coding. I'm a self-taught data scientist. I know about Python too much. I know about basic of Python, and I know about data science with Python. I know about the machine learning, I know about the deep learning, I know about the artificial neural network. So I have learned all these three things by my own through internet resources, whatever available on the internet. And believe me that I never went any coaching or any institute for this kind of coding skill. I am a 100% self-taught data scientist. So this is the thing, guys, that I want to tell you, that if I can do it, then you can also do it. It's very easy. Anybody can learn anything nowadays, any skill, because I think almost every skills, almost every prerequisites and resources of any skills available on the internet. You can find it easily on the internet. There are various like free educational website, free educational YouTube channels. They are offering a really very good courses on this channel for free. You can learn different languages, you can learn about data science, you can learn about the machine learning, you can learn about the artificial intelligence, you can learn about anything, whatever you want, through internet, through YouTube. So almost every kind of skills, knowledge available on the internet. So guys, actually guys, why I'm telling you this kind of things right now, because guys, everybody know that if you are in India, not in India, almost every country nowadays are under lockdown, and almost every people of their countries are under quarantine, and they are free. Really, they are not going to their college, schools, their job. They are out of their this kind of stuff. So they are just sitting at their homes with their family members and enjoying the life. But guys, one thing I wanna inform you, that you cut these holidays, you cut these quarantine days not to just waste, just eat and sleep, and by doing nothing. You cannot do that. Basically, if you do this, then guys, you are going to lose your almost 2 months of your life, and this is really totally wasteful. Wastage of time. So this is the things, guys, I wanna remind you, that you should learn, you should upgrade yourself, you should come up with new skill in these quarantine days. And you can learn many things through internet, whatever you want. Just you need have to be enthusiastic to learn something. You need have to develop passion. You need to create a passion inside you to learn something. So if you are interested in learning something, guys, then I think if someone is saying that that he do not have money, he is not going college, he is not going university, he is facing financial problem, then guys, really, from my point of view, this kind of things, stuffs, if someone is saying then guys, really, he is not interested in learning anything. Basically, he is not willing to learn something. He is really not enthusiastic to learn anything, because what he is doing is he is blaming someone. Because guys, if you want to learn something nowadays, you do not have to be rich. What I believe is that, guys, if now in this time, at this current generation, into 21st century, if someone is saying that that he wanted to learn something, but he did not have resources. Basically, he is poor, he cannot afford the resources. He is poor, he cannot go to college, or he cannot go to the university. Then guys, what I believe is that no guys, he's totally lying. Really, he's totally lying to himself and to his family members. Because guys, nowadays if you want to learn something, then you do not have to be rich. You do not have to be rich. You don't need money. You don't need money to learn anything, because everything is available on the internet. You can learn any skills freely. Really, there are many channels, many educational platform channels. They are offering everything for free. What you need is you need one like mobile or laptop and internet connection. That's it. And guys, I think if you belong to India, then guys, internet is such a easy, such a cheap thing. Anyone can afford it. Anyone can afford it. Internet in India, it is very cheap as compared to other part of the world, as compared to other country. So if someone is saying that he is not have resources, he is poor, this, then guys, he is lying to himself. He is not interested in learning anything. He is basically he's not enthusiastic to learn something. That's it. So don't say that that I'm not learning anything because I do not have money, I do not have resources. This is absolutely false. If you wanted to learn something really now, in this, at least in the nowadays, at this 21st century, you do not have money. You don't need money. You don't need money anything. You don't need any financial support. You don't need money to learn anything. You can learn anything by your own through internet, through websites. There are many websites, many educational websites, educational channel on YouTube. They are offering everything for free, and you can learn anything. So once you learn the basic of any basic of any skill, basic of any course, then guys, for advanced course, there are also some websites. There are also some educational websites, educational institution on the internet. They are offering, giving you like certificate. They are giving you degree certificate, degree a very cheap price. There are many educational institutes which are working on the internet online. They are offering courses to the students, to the people at very affordable price. Very affordable price. Anyone can afford it, and you can get your certificate from there. What you have learned, the skill that you have, the certificate regarding the skill that you have, you can get it from internet, through internet. So that's it. You should learn something. You should upgrade yourself. You should come up with new skills, because if you are wasting your time, this quarantine time, then guys, you are really pushing yourself backward. You are wasting your time. You are destroying your life. Also, you are destroying your coming generation, because if you are not strong, if you are not rich, if you are not successful, then of course your coming generation will be poor. They're not gonna be rich. That's it. It means that guys, if you're destroying your life, it's not only you are destroying your life, but you are also destroying your coming generation, your future generations life, their career. So these are things that you should learn some skills in this quarantine day, and you should upgrade your knowledge. Thank you.